I know you for 2 weeks. You wouldn't do nothing like that.
I know.
I can charge you for you. Huh? So why are you mad at what? Why are you mad at Brad?
I'm just mad at him.
Why?
Brad did not do nothing.
Should broke that.
Yeah, did he?
Wait. Should broke that.
No, I didn't.
He broke it. He tried to fix it.
Hello. So why are you mad? Hello? Why are you mad?
What?
It don't matter. It's none of your
Because
business.
I got water in it so I can touch it.
When you're sad, it makes it's my business because I don't want you to be sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay.
I'm mad at you.
You mad at me? What the fuck did I do?
Why you mad at Sugar Ugly Booger Bear?
Yeah.
Remember he went to a party without me? You remember that?
Nope.
Yeah, I remember that.
That's too bright.
I didn't do nothing wrong at the party.
Yeah. Yes, you probably did.
Can't get my face.
What did I do wrong then? Huh? What I do? What I do wrong?
Stop it. I can't see your face, Quentin. You messed around with 4 girls in one night. I told you that. And I told you that's over. And then, going to a party on top of that, our friendship's over now.
I'll make it up to you.
How?
I don't know, but I will.